Yoon, pagsakme pa, mga kabalen. April 19, 2025, naimbitahan po tayong pumunta at maging saksi sa malupit na finale ng Midget Division ng LA Basketball League o Barangay Laput, Mexico, Pampanga. Pero ang venue at bakbakan, ginanap po ito sa Barangay Concepcion, Mexico, Pampanga. Kaya big salute po at maraming salamat po sa pamilya ni Barangay Captain Edwin Lapus, mga idol, at sa buong TVJ na nag-organize ng malupit na paliga, mga kabalen. Actually, nasira din ako kagabi kaya yung sasakyan ko nandyan pa sa Barangay Concepcion, mga idol. Halos 3 AM na rin po ako nakauwi. Kaya maraming salamat po. Heto po, panoorin natin ang malupit na highlights ng Team 4 laban naman sa Young Hoopers, mga idol. Isang banatan at bakbakan ng mga kabataan sa Midget Division ng Barangay Laput, Mexico, Pampanga. At saludo po at big shoutout sa mga nakakasama natin sa mga ganitong vlog, mga idol. Payakap naman ako, pagsakme pa, mga kabalen.
First position for the team, Young Wall. Number 1, introduce again, number 5. Second by Mr. Corpus, number 30. Ang pampasakado, Dalisay. Looking for the receiver, right is stepping through from the starter, from the stepping through. Young Hoopers by Mr. Dixon on the countdown. Isang kalabanan ng Team Toronto sa inisip ng ilati Kurto on Mr. Moto versus Warren Bishamba versus Katahuka wrong Yolanda and offensive rebound, 6 seconds on the shot clock, and a foot clock on number 0. When it is number 7 on the Celtic side, 6-7, this is 6-5, point 2 on the Celtic side. When it is number 1 on the Celtic, Pineda, for it on the shot clock, San Marcos, Aquino number 30, right outside, 3 forward by Mr. Aquino, number 30, this one, Tolentino, 10 on the shot clock at 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, nice pass on Mr. Aquino, on San Marcos, inside, and get one, on San Marcos, nice, 3 person again, by number 7 on Mr. Katakutan, Katakutan number 7, the moment is exactly on Manala, Manala number 1, Paglele, on jersey number 0, exactly. Arriba Mr. Manala is exactly Lanida on Manala. Point through, 61 from Mr. Kong number 11. Bridget in the basket going on from Mr. Kong. Figure of 52. And one goes. Air Force number 30. One goes and to Mr. Aquino. Receive the ball. White jersey number 30 on Mr. Carlos. Flashing ball. For the on the rebound, Mr. Marcos to Mr. And size on Begin at 50 of 53. Puerto again, Arjun Scott, on out Israel. Florentino, 6 is the number 1. We end up in the 34. This next to cross. 8 for participation from the start. And shot pass from Bruce number 30. It's Safi lost to 1 minute and 5 half seconds and Samati on a shot clock. Alright, 1 minute and something. We're in the shot clock, 8 seconds. Allah para Islam Muhammad. We have 1 minute